right, guys, here we have a 2010 Nissan GTR, and we also have Iori.
Hey.
You've seen her before on her channel. But yeah, what do you think about this car? I know you're a huge fan of JDM.
Yes.
Ashley has an RX-7 and some other cool cars. But yeah, what are your thoughts about this car?
I like how it drives and how it looks. I never really liked the GTR when it comes out, but then if you drive it, it's actually a really nice car, and it has twin turbo and it's 6-speed manual. It's automatic. Right now it's bone stock. The owner has that wrap and the Boston wheels, but that's about it. And today we're going to be installing VR Performance catback exhaust system on this GTR, and that is going to be the first performance mod that this GTR gets, and the owner has a lot of list of modification that he wants to do in the future. So he is really excited, and we are also super excited to see how it looks and how it drives after.
Hell yeah. So there we have it, guys. Beautiful Nissan GTR, the iconic Godzilla. Now she is gonna go drive it, our in-house race car driver, and she's gonna pretty much tell us how it handles, how it feels stock. And then, like she said, we're gonna put on the VR Performance exhaust catback system, go take it out for another spin, and then she's gonna give her her honest review.
All right, let's go. Oh shoot, it pulls. It pulls hard. It doesn't feel like I'm driving fast. It's still aggressive. It's definitely, you know, GTR. Whoa! Ooh, the first gear pull is insane. No!
So overall, I mean, what do you give the stock exhaust out of 10?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Actually 7. I'm sorry, I lied.
Where do you feel like it lacks?
The sound.
Definitely the sound.
Definitely the sound. It just feels stock. I mean, it's definitely a really powerful car. So if you can get performance exhaust on this thing, it just.
Alright guys, we are back in the shop here, and we have the R35 GTR sitting next to the lift. We also have the VR Performance catback exhaust system here. It is titanium, and it's a fairly simple exhaust install process because it's bolt-on, so there's no modifications to be made on the car. So yeah, we're gonna have Iori start unboxing it.
That is beautiful. You can see the color, right? This is 5-inch exhaust tip. It is huge. It's like almost bigger than my hand.
It is so light. Look at this. I can carry it with one arm. That is crazy. And I believe this is one of the mid pipes as well. So we're gonna start laying them down here.
Can you see the wells on this one?
Wow.
It is beautiful.
That is impressive. This is all so light. It's crazy. 4 exhaust tips. You got the muffler, I believe, connecting to the Y pipe, connected to the mid pipe. Yeah, look at the tips. Wow. They're humongous.
Yeah, you can tell it's titanium. It's so beautiful. These are all TIG welding, so it actually looks insane.
And it has our VR logo right there, nice and beautiful. So it looks really awesome.
I am super stoked to put it on the GTR.
It's gonna look amazing on the back of that car. All right guys, now that we have laid out the VR exhaust system, we are gonna be starting to take off the stock exhaust system on the R35 GTR. So let's get to it. Alright guys, now we are back in the car. As you guys saw the little install montage that we did, it was fairly simple process. It honestly took about 30 minutes to do it. Very nicely welded. It's titanium, so it's super light, so you're obviously saving a lot of weights. It looks super cool and it sounds really, really good.
Oh yeah, like the one thing I don't really like about GTRs are exhaust. And this, woo, yes. It's such a simple modification, it just drives way better. Oh my god.
Yep.
Wow.
That's awesome.
That feels like I'm driving like a performance car.
Yeah,
Yes.
now it feels like a proper supercar after
yeah.
that exhaust. I mean, just the downshifts and everything.
Oh, so crispy, I love it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get this back to the customer. I cannot wait to see his reaction.
I know.
Honestly, it feels a little quicker. Ooh, way more aggressive, you know? Once you get on it and it just starts to like pull, it's way more aggressive.
Those downshifts though.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
so nice. Woo!
I need one of these cars.
I can't say that, but bro, that's how it feels.
So now, I asked you before with the stock exhaust,
Yes.
you know, what do you rate it 1 out of 10? But now, what do you rate it?
Ooh, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And
Yeah.
what's the biggest selling point for you if you were to buy this exhaust?
Definitely looks.
Looks?
Just titanium, just
Yeah.
burn tip looks. It just does it for me.
Yeah.
And how it sounds, it just improved so much compared to the stock one. This just,
I completely agree. And like the owner said, the stock exhaust sounds like a vacuum.
He said that.
Yeah, he said that, which I agree with him 100%.
That is so funny.
Yeah, but we are back at Vivid Racing headquarters.
Yes.
Yori, it's time to leave the beautiful GTR behind.
I kind of want to take it home though.
Let's do it. All right, guys, now we have the customer, the owner of the beautiful Nissan GTR in the driver's seat, and he's gonna test it out for the first time. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna let you rip it for a little bit and then just give me your honest opinions after that.
Sounds good. Yeah, it's a huge difference already as it is.
You already feel the power difference?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Even the sound too.
I know, they sound like vacuum. It's cleaner stock, like I was saying. So,
Yeah.
I mean, it opens it up good.
Yeah, like we were talking about, not only do you get like the sound and performance, but also the look of it, like the titanium,
Yeah.
the crispy welds it has, how
Yeah.
light it is, so you're obviously saving weight.
Not even only that, the stock exhaust when it's off the car, it's tiny compared to this.
Exactly.
Even looking underneath the car,
Yeah.
it's a huge difference.
Yep. That's one of the biggest things too. A lot of people get aftermarket exhaust, or they even go to muffler shops and try to do it themselves.
Yeah.
There's a lot of drone in that aspect, you know. when you
It's
get it
worth
that
the
way.
extra money.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, I have a $4,000 exhaust on the Supra, and this
Yeah.
exhaust is way nicer. And Burble's a little bit low speed.
A little bit,
now,
yep,
so
yep.
there's
Wait
that.
till you get the tune as well.
I know, tune,
I think it's gonna be a monster.
way different. Downpipes, tune, everything.
Yeah.
That's what's crazy is the turbo spool difference even without downpipes.
I-
There's not even intakes on this car, and
Yeah,
I can tell the difference.
completely stock.
Yeah.
Besides the exhaust, that's what's
Just
crazy.
a cat bag.
Yeah. Not only is it loud and fast, but it just breaks so many necks too.
Oh yeah.
Cause it's like, it's a GTR, you know? You don't see many of these around.
No, and then you have the mint color too.
Exactly, yeah. The downshifts. Ooh.
Yeah, they're just a lot more crisp. It's a whole different car with the exhaust on it.
Yeah, for sure.
No, it's not too much. That's what I was worried about. No valves. It's gonna be ridiculous, but it's the right amount. I mean, you're not gonna be 2 miles away being hurt.
So, last opinions about the exhaust?
I mean, I wouldn't change a thing.
Hell yeah.
Out of everything I've looked at, I mean, you're spending minimum $6,000 really if you want a nice titanium exhaust. And with this car, it's just, I mean, it's the one to get.
Well, we're glad you love it, and it's been a pleasure working on your car.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll see you soon for all those other upgrades.
Sounds good. Yeah, I'll bring
Hell
it
yeah.
back.